The DC transient in RL series circuit. The RL series circuit draw this the volt battery and switch and resistance and L. This is the transient current I of t. The switch is closed. T is equal to at the time of 0. The voltage across the resistance is VR to mention that VR, and the voltage across the inductance to mention that VL. Assume that the switch S is, they assume that switch S is closed at the time t is equal to 0, and also assume that the time of switching the current I of t is 0. The step 1 to applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law. The step 1 to applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law for the loop we get. The first, the Kirchhoff's voltage law is the applied the potential rise equal to potential drop. The potential rise E equal to VR plus VL. That is, the E is equal to VR plus VL. E is equal to the transient response, the transient current. The drop VR is equal to the transient current passed through the R and L, and E is equal to R into I of t plus VL. VL is equal to L into d I of t divided by dt. That is the equation 1. Taking the Laplace transform on both sides of the equation 1, what is the R? R I of t is equal to I of s. And f of t is equal to f of s. This is taken the I of t, the Laplace transform is I of s plus L di by dt is the s into I of s minus I of 0. I of 0 is the initial charging current. The initial charging current always 0, that is E is the constant. The constant E is equal to 1 by S. Assume the initial current I of G is equal to 0, that is R I of S plus L S I of S equal to E by S. That is, take from I of S is outside, that R plus LS equal to E by S. Then the I of the one side, the take the one side is I of S, to another value is taken the other side, E divided by S into R plus LS. Let's take the S is equal, the S is outside, R E by L. The L is equal to outside, E by L divided by S into R by L plus S. We are EL divided by S into S plus R by L. S by R by L. That means the step 3, applying the partial fraction. The step 3, applying the partial fraction. The partial fraction I of S is equal to A by S plus B by S plus RL. To doing the two part. EL is equal to A into S plus RL plus BS the equation. Substituting when S is equal to 0 in equation 5, E by L is equal to A into R. That is, A is equal to E by R. Substituting when S is equal to minus R in equation 5, E by L is equal to B into minus R by L. B is equal to minus E by R. Put the values of A and B on equation 4, I of S is equal to E by R by S minus E by R by S plus R by L. Take the inverse Laplace transform. I of t is equal to E by R. 1 by S is a constant value, E by R. The E by R is the constant, then S plus as A is the e to the power of at is the formulas. E to the power of S plus RL is equal to e to the power of minus R by L into t. This is E by R into, take that E by R is a common term, take outside 1 minus e to the power of minus R by L into t. This is 1 by R is called as a time constant of RL series unit circuit. When t is equal to R by L, I of t is equal to I into 1 minus e to the power of minus 1, that is equal to 0.632 I. Therefore, the current the time constant t of RL series circuit is defined as the time during which is the current increases to 63.2% of its steady value. This is the diagram. This is the transient current, the time and I of t. This is the I is the constant, the maximum current. Is the transient current is 63.2% of I is the time. The transient voltage across the resistance VR is equal to R into I of t. But VR is equal to R into E by R minus the I values IR into e to the power of 1 E is equal to 1 minus e to the power of minus R by LT. The transient voltage across the inductor VL is equal to E minus VR. By e to the E into e to the power of minus R by L into T. The second thing, the next one is the RL decay transient. RL decay transient. RL decay transient means the first thing is the charging the inductance. The second one is suddenly switch change from this. The switch position 1 and 2. The switch 1 is closed at the time of close, the charging the inductance. Suddenly the changing the switch 2 is the discharging the inductance. Consider the RL series circuit, they are connected to a constant voltage E in position 1 for a long time. The switch S is moved to position 2 at the time t is equal to 0. The steady state current at position 1 I is equal to E by R. Step 1. Applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law when the switch is at position 2. VR plus VL equal to 0. At the position of switch 2. Position 1 is open. E is equal to removed. R into I of t plus taking the Laplace transform I of t, the R plus I of t plus L into di of t divided by dt is equal to 0. Step 2, the taking Laplace transform or I of s plus L into s into I of s minus I of 0 equal to 0. This time I of 0 is not 0. The initial current I of 0 equal to E by R, steady state current at position 1. R I of s is plus L into S I of s minus L into E by R equal to 0. I of s is equal to R plus Ls equal to E by EL divided by R. I of s is equal to EL divided by R plus Ls. Taking this E by R divided by S plus R by L. Taking the inverse Laplace transform, I of t is equal to E by R into e to the power of minus R by L into t. The voltage across the resistor VR I in R into I of t, E into the substituting the I of t. The voltage across the inductor VL is equal to minus VR. This is the decaying circuit.